What is up, guys? I don't know if you guys have been following along with our turkey hunting content, but if you have, you guys know that this is the best turkey season that we've ever had. We killed a ton of gobblers this year, got a ton of firsts, and just had an absolute blast filming every little part of it. But now I'm turning a new page, starting a new adventure, and this is just off the wall. It's absolutely insane. I've spent a ton of money and a ton of time with this already, but I just wanted to let you guys know that starting now, we're planning on trying to get some new kinds of content out. We've really just been doing a lot of deer hunting, a lot of turkey hunting recently, and we're really starting to get interested in some new kinds of hunting, starting to learn the ropes of some new stuff, and we think it'd just be really cool to show you guys what we're getting into and what we're learning. So starting now, we're going to start getting you some different kinds of summer content, some different waterfowl type stuff, and biggest of all, what this video is about, we're going to start getting some hunting with dogs. We've done hunting with beagles, but in this video, I'm purchasing my very own hunting dogs, and I'm not going to spoil the video. I'm just going to let the video show you guys what dogs I'm getting and what they are for. But Saturday, I'm going to be making an 8-hour trip to pick up some hunting dogs. And this is a completely new adventure for me. I'm going to try to train them all myself. But right now I'm in the process of getting everything ready for them. So I'm building a pen, and I just got some food and stuff for them. And we're almost completely set up. But we got to make a Lowe's run here and get some supplies to finish up making the pen so that we have it completely ready whenever I get them on Saturday.
Just don't tighten it too tight.
Well, we got the boards that we need, and they stick way out over my bed. So I'm just hoping that we can make it out of town without losing them, without getting in trouble. Good morning, everybody. It is currently like 5 a.m. and I'm on my way to Michigan to pick up the dogs. Got the cage in the back and everything set up for them, and we're on our way. Well, guys, we just got the puppies, and I didn't video it because I didn't know how the breeder was gonna feel about that, and I didn't ask. It was kind of like a quick thing because we got a long ride home. But right there are the puppies, and we are currently taking them home. There's the puppies. We finally got the pups home here, and they are running around having a good time and chewing on old corn stalks. But this is super cool. They're already real energetic and chewing on everything, as you can see here. And they met Kevin, the other dog. His actual name's Sparky. We are at Lowe's again, getting more supplies. We're making more of a permanent pen. Oh man, making more of a permanent pen for the dogs. Basically just trying to get it to where they can be outside more and not have to stay in the basement. So we're coming in here, we're gonna pick up a few things and then get out of here and try to get the fence finished as quickly as we can. Let's go. I've had the dogs for about 5 days now, and we have to get a fence set up for them because they're starting to be super hyper. I don't know where Sweetie's at, but Ricky's right here just goofing around. We started laying out where we want the posts for the fence to be. We started that last night, but we got to get them all dug out now. So that's what we're going to work on today. We're going to try and get these posts set as quickly as we can and get this fence up so they got a little area that they can run free in. We will start getting into training them soon. I'm waiting on my scent to get in. It's taking forever. I don't know why it's taken so long to get my scent in, but I ordered a couple different kind of scents that I'm gonna try to run them on, And like I said, it's just taken a long time to get here. Okay. And then we're gonna welcome back, everybody. Made an improvement for the dogs here. I got them built their own little fence here. They're gonna have an area to run around. I'm actually getting another pen for my male dog that I'm gonna put him in once I get it set up. But as you can see, they're still pretty small, and well, they're small, so they're not gonna be outside very much as of right now. But I'm starting some obedience training with them. Well, I've been doing it, and just trying to get them to listen. I introduced them to bear scent, but they like it, but they're not interested enough to chase it right now. So I'm just gonna keep working with them on that, and we'll get you. We tried to video it the other night, and it didn't turn out that great. So we'll get you guys some videos, some high quality videos of us trying to train the dogs here. But it's gonna take a little bit because I mean they're really young. They're 8 weeks old right now, and they're still really, really small. So it's just gonna take some time, take a lot of working with them. Like I said, right now, my main goal is to get them to really listen to me. And after that, then I'll really start working on them with, scent trailing and all that stuff. But starting to get the scent worked in, starting to introduce it, kind of get them to start following it just a little bit. But you can't expect much from puppies that are this little. I mean, they're real little guys.